Cold open on the cutting-edge world of rocket science. We're exploring the marvels of a three-dimensional printed rocket engine nozzle and its hot fire test. This isn't a plot from a science fiction novel, it's happening right now. Imagine a rocket engine nozzle born from a blend of powdered metal and lasers, meticulously layered to form an intricate design. This isn't your typical manufacturing process, it's additive manufacturing, or as you may know it, 3D printing. Now, we're not just creating these masterpieces for show. The real magic happens during the hot fire test. Picture this, a fiery inferno, roaring with raw power, all tightly controlled and directed through our 3D printed nozzle. The result? A successful demonstration of force, proving that these 3D printed nozzles are not just functional, but potentially revolutionary. They're leaner, faster to produce, and more cost-effective. As we journey into the cosmos, remember, it's not just about reaching the stars, but how we get there. And 3D printed rocket engine nozzles may be our ticket to a future of sustainable space exploration. Until next time, keep looking up.